Hello everyone, welcome to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about DIST in System Verilog. DIST stands for distribution, more specifically weighted distribution. Say for example, while randomizing you want to give more weight to particular values. More weight means you want certain values to be generated more often compared to others. This can be done by providing weights to different values with the help of dist operator. Let us understand about this in detail. With the help of dist operator, you can create weighted distribution. What are the input which this dist operator takes? First thing is it will take list of values and corresponding weights which you want to have for these values, and these values and weights need to be separated by operator, either this operator or this. These are the two operators. We'll see what are the differences between these operators, but for now remember, this operator takes list of values and weights which are separated by either this operator or by this operator. Now, what values can you give? You can give either constant or variable, both values are valid. You can also give range of values, that is also valid. What kind of weights you can give? You can give constant or variable. Some things which you should remember about dist is, in case the weight is not specified, default weight is 1. And sum of all weights need not be 100. It is not a percentage. It is not important that the sum of all weights need to be 100. It can be any integer value. Now let's see the difference between these two operators. If you want to give same weight to every value which is separated with the weight using this operator, you can use this one. But if you want to equally divide the weight amongst values, you can use this. If you want to give same weight, this is the operator. If you want to equally divide weight, this is the operator. Let us understand this with the help of coding example, then only it will be clear. I have two random variables, source and destination. I am creating a constraint using distribution operator. I am creating a constraint on source. If you see, for source, I have used this operator. There are four different values, 0, 1, 2, and 3. For 0 value, I have given weight 40. And for values 1 to 3, I have given weight 60. 1 to 3, this is a range. It will cover 1, 2, and 3, these three values. And I have used this operator. What does this operator means? That same weight for every value. Here there are three values, 1, 2, 3, and same weight for every value. What is the weight I want to specify? 60. Since I am using this operator, I want to specify weight 60 for every value in this range. It means 0 already has 40 weight, 1 will have 60 weight, 2 will have 60 weight, 3 will have 60 weight. One value is having weight 40 and three values is having weight 60. 60 into 3 is 180. 180 plus 40 is 220. Total weights are 220. So how is the distribution here? For value 0, your weight is 40 divided by 220 because the total was 220. For three values it was 60. 60 into 3 was 180. And for one value it was 40. 180 plus 40 was 220. 0 value was having weight 40. One value was having weight 60. by 220. 220 is total weight. Similarly, for 2 value, we have 60 weight. 60 divided by 220. For 3 value, we have 60 divided by 220. Now, for destination, I am using this operator. What does this operator say? Whatever weight I am specifying, I want to equally divide amongst the values. Here, this is a single value. So, for this, even if you equally divide, the weight will be 40 only. For 0, I want to keep weight 40. For values 1, 2, and 3, this is the range 1, 2, and 3. I want to equally divide weight 60. 60 is equally divided amongst three values. 60 divided by 3 is 20. So each of these values 1, 2, and 3 will get weight 20 because this 60 is equally divided amongst us, among these three values. This is the major difference between these two operators. Here, each and every value is going to get weight 60, and here, all three values together are getting weight 60. It means this is equally divided amongst these three values, and each value is getting only 20. For 0 value, the weight was 40 divided by 100. Why 100? The total weight was 100. The 60 was divided amongst three values equally. So for these three values, the total weight is 60. And for 0 value, total weight is 40. 40 plus 60 is 100. Here, if you notice, this 60 was for each of these values. That's why we did 60 into 3, which was 180. 180 plus 40 was 220. But this 60 is the total weight for all these three values. That's why the total weight for these three values is 60 only. Plus 40, we have 100. So for value 0, the weight is 40 divided by 100. For 1, 2, and 3, the weight will be 20 divided by 100. This is the major difference between these two operators. Now let us understand this with the help of coding example. The coding example of weighted distribution using dist operator. I have a class packet in which I have two random variables, source and destination. For source, here if you see, for source, I am using dist operator, and inside dist operator, this is the one which I am using. What was the meaning of this operator? This operator was saying that if you have a range of values, each value will have same weight, whichever you have specified. Here, 0 is not a range of value, it is a single value. So this 40 will be the weight for 0 value, and 1, 3, 1 and 1, 2, 3. These are the three values covered in this range. For this range, whatever values are there, each value will have 60 as weight. Total, there are three values, 1, 2, and 3. All three of them have 60. 60 into 3 was 180. And weight for 0 was 40. So the total weight was 180 plus 40, which is 220, out of which 0 was having weight 40, and each values inside this range, which was 1, 2, and 3, was having weight 60. For destination, I am using this operator. The meaning of this particular operator was the weight will be equally divided amongst the values. 0 is a single value, so weight is equally divided amongst the values. Since there is only one value, 0 will have entire weight 40. 1, 2, 3, there are three values, and 60 is the total weight for them. It means 60 divided by 3 is 20. Each of the values 1, 2, and 3 has weight 20. 20 divided by 100. And 0 has weight 40. 40 divided by 100. For 1, 2, and 3, we have weight 20 divided by 100. Then finally, we are creating a module to test this class, in which I am creating instance of this class, and 11 times I am randomizing the values. Whenever I call this randomize function, the random variables which are source and destination will be randomize according to this constraint. Inside the constraint, I am assigning weights to different values. Finally, we are displaying the values of source and destination. Now let us run this. Here you will see a major difference between this zero value. Why you know? Because in the first example source, the total weight was 220 and this 40 was 40 divided by 220. But in case of destination, if you see, the total weight was 100 and this 40 alone out of 100 was for 0. So 0 will be generated more often for destination compared to source. For source, it will be generated very rarely because out of 220, it was only 40 times. You can see here the difference. How many times 0 got generated in this case? Only 2 times for source. But for destination, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can clearly see the difference between these two operators with the help of this. I hope with this coding example, dist operator and difference between these two operators, this and this, which are different kind of operators you can use along with dist, is clear. I request you to please go through this video till you understand it. Understand this coding example, each and every line. Try to code it by yourself, run it, and analyze the output. Then only you will get a more clarity on this concept. To stay tuned to such video content, please subscribe to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. See you in the next video.